Hi guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look using the It's My Pleasure palette by ColourPop. This was actually a giveaway prize from Ashley. I'm going to link her YouTube channel below, so go check her out. If you guys want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. And from the palette, we're going to start off with the shade called Kitten Fish. And I'm going to apply it using this Elizabeth Matte All Over Shadow Brush. And with this Wet n Wild blending brush, I'm just going to blend it out. And to intensify the color, I'm just going to reapply it. The next shade I'll be using is called Sleeper, and I'm going to apply it with this Vintage Cosmetic Company brush. And once again, with the Wet n Wild brush, I am going to blend that out. And for a more precise shadow application, I am going to take the e.l.f. Eye Crease brush and I'm going to apply Sleeper. And then I take this Avon Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Night Glisten, and I'm going to apply it to the lid to act as a base for the next shimmer shadows that we're going to use. And I blend it out using this Avon brush. The first shadow that I will apply is called Bare Minimum, and I'm going to apply it with the Vintage Cosmetic Company brush, and it's going to go to the outer lid. And with the same brush, I am going to apply to the middle of the lid Earth Shine. The last shade I apply is called Mr. Sandman, and I applied it with the same brush. And then this Essence Gel Liner in Midnight in Paris, I will use to line the lash line. And then I applied the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. And the lashes I used are Rèal-Espoir by Luxe by iitsVB with the Strip Lash Adhesive by Kiss. To the brow bone, I added Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in the color Pillow Talk. And with the Wet n Wild blending brush, I blend it out. And moving on to the face, I primed using the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And for foundation, I used the CoverGirl Trublend Matte Made in the color M60. For concealer, I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C6. And set the face using the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. For bronzing up the face, I went in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the color Dulce De Leche. And to clean the contour, I used the lighter shade from the palette. For blush, I went in with the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush, and I applied it with the Luxe 514 brush. And now for the lower lash line, I go in with Kitten Fish. And for the waterline, I apply the Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil in the color Jet Black. And please tell me I ain't the only person who has these very watery eyes. They are just so annoying. Oh my god. Alright, so then we go in with Sleeper and apply it with this e.l.f. crease brush. And blend it all out with the Wet n Wild blending brush. And I add Pillow Talk to the inner tear duct. And with this BH Cosmetics brush, I just wipe off any excess powder and just make sure that everything is well blended. And then I add the same mascara to the lower lashes. For a highlighter, I used Wet n Wild Precious Petals and I applied it using the Moda Pro Glow brush. Set the face with Violet Voss I'm So Extra Glowing Setting Spray. And then for the lips, I go in with NYX Lingerie Bustier Liquid Lipstick. And then I take Time Los Angeles Ethereal Luxe Sparkle Lip Gloss and apply it with my fingers. And this concludes our look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. And Ashley, thank you so much for this palette, girl. I love it. It is very, very pretty. And for everybody else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. I hope to see you guys in the next one. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.